Yeah, do that again. There's a hydraulic lift arm for the deck. Here we got ourselves a John Deere F911 front mount, 60-inch deck, and with the cab on, runs, drives forward and reverse. It's got a cab heater built in. Got 1,026 hours on it. Should have a, let's see, it's got a 22 horse Kawasaki FD620D overhead valve, 2-cylinder gas. It says it's got a bad engine, but I don't know, we got it to run, so we'll test it out when we get it all done. Lot number 1828A, 218-844-4968 if you want to buy parts off the machine. Soft side cab. The rear window in the cab is over here, but it's got a hole in it, so it just needs to have some plastic put in. But we'll take that when we get there. Anyways, thanks for stopping by.